back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Victoria. I'm so glad that you are here. I hope you will consider subscribing. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. I'm here with Brittany, and her husband are here, surprise, surprise, for dinner. We're making chicken and potatoes and some veggies tonight for dinner, so I thought that I would just film me making it, and I thought you guys might find it interesting. I know you guys like my cooking videos, so if you want to see what we're gonna make for dinner, then keep on watching. Just keep watching. So I bought a package of chicken thighs, and then I have a sweet potato, 2 regular potatoes, and then I think we're gonna make some broccoli, and then Brittany brought strawberries and watermelon, so we're gonna cut that up. But I wanted to show you guys, I got this air fryer from Kasori. If you guys remember, I did a video with them a while back. I will link it up above. It was with their pressure cooker that they sent me, and I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. So they decided to send me this air fryer, which I'm super excited about. I think I've mentioned in my videos before how I've been wanting to try an air fryer, but it comes with all these good little informational cards, and I got this cookbook, which if you guys watched the last one about their pressure cooker, every piece of equipment, I guess, what would you call that, an appliance? An appliance. Every appliance, yeah. Yeah, every appliance of theirs comes with a little recipe book, which I think is really cool. So it just gives you a bunch of little meals that you can make in here, and I think that that's super helpful. So this helped me figure out how we're gonna make our potatoes tonight, but I think I'm gonna do the potatoes and the chicken in it, so I'll show you guys how we make it. And actually, this is going to be on sale for Amazon Prime Day on Monday and Tuesday, the 15th and the 16th of July. So I will go ahead and link this down below if you guys wanna check it out, but I'm super excited, so thank you, Kasori, for sending me this. And let's go ahead and make dinner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the potatoes in the air fryer. This is actually my first time using it, so this is gonna be a little trial and error here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put all these potatoes in here, which I'm not sure. We'll see how this goes, but this is kind of what it looks like, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here because I read in the instructions to use the, ooh, look at that, to use the potato button, and I think, do you just hit this? Wow. Do you guys hear that? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let these cook, and then we'll get the rest of the food ready. Okay, so I had opened this when there was like 10 minutes left, and they look pretty much done, and I felt one of the pieces of potatoes and it was like soft, so I know that they're cooked through, but look at these, don't they look so good? Okay, so now I'm gonna take these out, and then we're gonna start the chicken. I read the booklet, and it says to choose the poultry setting. So I'm gonna choose the poultry setting. And it said 25 to 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit 25, and we'll see how it goes, but I'll check it like halfway through. One thing I like about this is that when I was cooking the potatoes, I realized you can actually pause it. So unlike something like a pressure cooker where you can't really pause it in the middle to like check if something's done or see if you need to add more time, you can pause this, check on it, and then close it, and then press like basically play, and then it just continues on cooking. So I really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit start, and we'll check on it in a little bit. Okay, so the chicken is done, and I want you guys to see this because it looks so good. It's like crispy on top, and it smells delicious. So I have this ready and the rest of the chicken's over here that didn't fit, but it's 9 o'clock, so we're gonna go ahead and eat. And I'm gonna cook the rest of the chicken. This took 25 minutes and that was pretty good. I think 25 minutes was good. And then we have our potatoes that we made in the air fryer, and we tried these, guys. They taste delicious. You could season them however you want. I use the garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and then you can dip them in ketchup if you want. So these are sweet potatoes and regular potatoes. We diced up some strawberries, and I did some steamable broccoli. So we're gonna go ahead and make our plates, and I'll show you what it looks like. This is what everything looks like. It looks delicious and I can't wait to eat. And thank you, Brittany, for being my model.
Oh, no problem.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you to Brittany for helping me cook and film this video. Again, I hope you guys check out the air fryer that I mentioned in this video. Thank you, Kasori, for sending me this product, and I will put the link in the description box. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!